Welcome, guys. It's me, Walid. I'm the founder and CEO of Alpha Auto Trading. So I think most of you recognize my voice. I've been, with you guys for almost like 5, 6 years, live trading every day. You guys have my systems. So I have a good news to share. Very big news. I'm very excited to share this news. So we are in Alpha Auto Trading. We actually take over Fund2Go. That was like 2 months ago. And once we get Fund2Go, this is actually going live now, and it's going to be live today. And we actually redesigned the whole company, restructure it for a very different and unique way than anything you ever seen before. So if you've been in a day trading and using any prop firm, and you should watch this video, because what I'm going to show you now is going to blow your mind. It's not going to be any different, regular trading prop firm like you used to. That's very big difference. So I'm going to go through what is actually Fund2Go now, what is our missions, what is our rules, and how actually you can make money with us. First, when I start getting Fund2Go, my goal is, because I am a trader, so I still have an active PE account, and I have maybe 10, 15 PE accounts. I'm trading my own money. So I am a trader. I am a day trader. I trade every morning. So I'm just like you guys. I'm not one come from the sky, try to make a new system. I'm one actually who is involving in this business for more than 15 years, right? So the way we design it, my thought process is I want to make this system. I want to make this trading structure. It's very simple, very easy. What I'm saying by very easy, I'm not saying I'm not going to give my money away. No, I want a disciplined trader, but I want to make it achievable. I don't want to make it impossible, because I don't want to say names, but most of the prop firms, the structure they design, the systems and the accounts is actually impossible to achieve. This is not the case here. All right. So first thing, Fund2Go, we have actually two different patterns, two different ways. All right. So first path, we call it free tiers or freedom accounts. What does that mean? So the freedom accounts, I would say freedom tiers, that way, is a tier designed for a specific withdraw and end of day drawdown and max profit per circle, depending on the risk parameters. What I mean by that, and what is that? What does tier mean? So tier here mean is you're not gonna need any account. Like you're not gonna subscribe to 50K account or 100K account or 200, whatever. No, that's not the case here. If you choose to use one of our tiers, which is our freedom accounts, you can actually link your own account, the one you're using with any prop firm, evaluation, PA, or even simulation account. You can create a simulation account for free. Ninja Trader provide that. Yes, you have to renew it every 14 days. Sorry, but it doesn't matter. Because when you create a simulation account on Ninja Trader, even if your connection expire within 14 days, if you create a new connection, the same account will be the same history, everything. Nothing gonna change. You can actually use this for a free simulation account. We're gonna make a separate video how to do that. It's very easy. But the goal here is if you have any evaluation or let's say PA account with any other company, and you make money for them, but you want to double your profit, you want to make your profit like 2 times, 3 times. All you need to do is link your account with one of those tiers. What is the difference between these tiers? So let's go one by one. So we have the starter tier. The starter tier is, there's no profit target, all of them, by the way. And before I go and see what's different, I want to say first, we don't have profit target. There is no profit target to reach. There is no daily life. There is no life drawdown, max drawdown. No, we have an end of day drawdown. That's it. Very simple way, because I hate live drawdown, and everyone should. It sucks, by the way. because it's against the market structure. If you have a max drawdown, that's against market structure. It's not here. We have end of day drawdown. So there is no profit target. You pick any tier you want, you link your account, and then you follow the rules. You'll not pass $1,500 in a day if you choose starter, 13 grand if you choose elite, 4,500 if you choose pro. When you first get the account, we're gonna give you 14 days to do this. 14 days. Within 14 days, or after that if you want, there's no time frame, but if you reach your goal, which means you trade for the whole 14 days and you never actually hit your drawdown, after 14 days, you're gonna request your first payout. Period. And the profit's gonna be 80-20% split. But each account has a safety net to withdraw. So your account must have this balance above whatever you have. So let's say you have an account, you link your account now with the prop firm A, whatever you have, and your account balance is, let's say, $50,000, right? The start one, or $55,000, let's say. I want to make an even number, $55,000, right? And you subscribe to the elite, right? You start first day, account balance $55,000, start the elite. Now you have 14 days to request payout. And if you reach, if your account balance is now 55 plus 5, is going to be 60 grand within the 14 days, beautiful. After the 14 days, request your payout and you get 80-20% profit split from whatever profit you have. But your account must be all the time above the safety net to withdraw. So, which means anything above the 60 you can withdraw with 80-20% profit split. Anything above it you can withdraw. I will show you what is the withdrawal structure and how it's going to work. And I'm going to show you also another thing we have here. No prop firm has it, whatever. I hate to say Fund2Go now is a prop firm. It's not. It's unique thing, nothing like it in the market at all, So let's say you already passed the safety net before 14 days. That's fine. Keep trading, but you're not gonna able to request payout unless you pass 14 days because you want to see consistency. Okay. Once you do that, pass the 14 days, your account is above the safety net, you can withdraw. So we have here in Fund2Go, we have two payouts every month, like bi-weekly. So you're going to request like 2 cycles. Each cycle, the first cycle, which is the first 2 weeks, for all the accounts, it's going to be $1,000. We need to test your consistency. I don't want one trader comes, he actually hit a jackpot, one big trade, whatever, and then I want to, give me like 20 grand. No, I want to see consistency. So the first payment, which is after 2 weeks, it's going to be $1,000 cap for any account you choose. That's only the first one. The second is going to depending on the tier you choose. For the starter tier, the max payout per circle is $1,000. If you choose starter tier, the max you can gain from one account is going to be $1,000 every 2 weeks, which is going to be 2 grand a month. Regardless of whatever you make, keep in mind, you already make money of other prop firm anyway. So there's going to be add-on. And keep in mind also, you can add more than starter tier to the same account if you want, or different account. By the way, you allow you to do that. So if you have more than one account, you can actually pick 10 starter tier or 10 elite or 10 pro, 20. You can do whatever you want. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna let you know why we have a max cap payout for each tier in a moment, and this is very important. And then for the elite tier, the max payout per circle is gonna be $3,000. So the max you're gonna get per circle, which is every 2 weeks, from the elite is gonna be $3,000. It's gonna be 6 grand a month for each tier. And for the pro tier, the max payout per circle is gonna be $5,000 every 2 weeks, which is gonna mean Per each tier, you make $10,000. So if you subscribe to 10 tiers pro, you making 100K a month using 10 pro tiers linked to your own existing accounts. It could be evaluation, PA, simulation, it doesn't matter. I'll show you how actually we do that, how we monitor your trade. We have a very sophisticated system, unique. We designed it. We spent like 2 months, never sleep until we came up with this system. The other unique thing we have here in Fund2Go, and it's not in any other firm ever, we have something called credit reward system. So what is the credit system actually? Credit system is a unique way, an easy way to make extra cash on the side, regardless of your account size. We pay you by your consistency, which means in the credit system, we pay you certain amount of X dollars per winning trade, and we deduct certain amount of dollars, which is mostly $1, per losing trade. What does that mean? So now, let's say, I'm going to show difference between starter and elite. So starter, elite, starter tier, we have a credit reward, $1 plus $1 for each winning trade, minus $1 for each losing trade. So let's say in a month, you make, let's say, 100 winning trades. Oh, okay? And you lost 20. Now your credit is 80 credits, which means you have $80 credit with us. And once you reach the 100 credit, you can withdraw regardless of your account size. As long as you never hit your drawdown, that's fine. Even if you don't hit your safety net yet, it doesn't matter. As long as you have an active account, which means your account is linked with us, you never hit your drawdown, you can actually request the credit anytime. And this is going to be, there is no time limit. You can request the credit also twice a month, whatever you have credit. And for the elite tier, every winning trade is $1.25, 25 cents more per winner. And loser is going to be the same $1 minus $1 loss. And for the pro, there's going to be $1.50 per win and $1 per loss. So let's say if you win 100 trades in a month, then your credit is going to be $150. Let's say if you lose 20, and then your loss going to be $20. So now we have a credit $130. You can actually request withdraw. And this, again, this is per tier. Per tier. So if you have 10 tiers, you have 20 tiers, do the math. So now we give you a way to, I don't want to say double your income, like triple it. Because you already get paid from your evaluation or P account you have in your firm. And you're going to pay from us per circle. And you're going to pay by credit. Now, answer the question, why we have max payout per circle? Because the goal here, and our main goal actually in Fund2Go behind the scene is, yes, we're going to pay a lot of money, I understand, but we need to find a good traders. Because after 3 months from, we have a very, very clear rule. After 3 months, if you request the max payout per circle consistently for 3 months, like every 3 weeks, you reach the max. Like let's say you have a pro account and you take $5,000 every 2 weeks or more. You cannot be more because it's the max. So $5 every week, every 2 weeks for 3 months, not less than that. If you do that within 3 months, we will send you an agreement to sign, and we're going to open you a live trading account with 80-20% live sharing profit. That's the goal here. So think about it as we pay you to test your strategy, to test your discipline, and then once you see you are actually a good trader, we want to take benefits of you. We want to make money with you too, because I open. This is not a charity. This, this is a business. I want to make money too, right? Yes, okay, you make money from subscription. I understand, but we have a check. We're gonna pay a lot of money also from payouts. We have to pay. There's no chance. we have to pay you. If you pass a safety net, if everything is good, your rules is fine, we have to pay you. So we risk all this money just to reach one point. If we have 50 or 100 traders and actually make it for the 3 months, you can actually hit the max payout per circle, which means you are very consistent. And we are say 3 months because you want to know it's not gonna lucky week or lucky month. It's a 3 month consistency. Then you open an account for you with 80-20% profit split, real money. So you make money. There's gonna be a contract. It's a whole different story. So you're gonna be a contract right between Fund2Go and you, and we're gonna open a real brokerage account. You're gonna sign the agreement, and you're gonna have assigned to this account, and you're gonna trade. And once you reach your real account, you can withdraw money weekly. Weekly. Whatever profit you make every week, request withdraw, you got it. Every Friday you can request payout. Okay? So this is the goal here. Let's say one week, one circle you make the max, other circle you didn't make the max. That's fine. Keep trading your account. Nobody will take it from you. Keep trading your account. Keep trading your tier, and make money. But we're not going to open a live account for you until you have 3 months. You reach the max payout per circle consistently without failing one. Let's say you are, because 3 months is actually 4 paying circle. Actually, no, I don't do the math. Yes, 2, 3, 6 paying circle. So let's say the first 5 you make the max, and the last one you didn't reach the max. Let's say you have a pro account and you're only allowed to withdraw $3,000. Now you have to start it all over again. You have to count another new 3 months to prove that you actually qualify for live account. Some people like it. My goal on a trade live account. Some people don't care. So I don't care if it's a live account or same account or evaluation. There's no evaluation here. As long as I'm making money. And honestly, it's a good point too. If you have like 10 pro at the same time, or 20, whatever, and you're making like $5,000 or whatever a month from each account, whatever you withdraw, that's a big money. You're taking about $50K a month. If you're making outside, I'm not saying you reach your max payout per circle. I'm talking about half, like $5,000 per account per month. That's very achievable. You're talking about 10, 20. Do the math. All right. Let's say you don't want all that. You want to have, send you a connection like you normally do. We have a different accounts, and this one is going to be within TradingView. And sooner than enough, the TradingView account will be able to trade everything. It's not going to be futures only. You can trade futures, you can trade stocks, you can trade options, you can trade Forex. I don't care. Whatever you trade. It doesn't matter. We're going to give you a CME data, level 1, that has everything. Stocks, futures, options, whatever, you name it, anything, same thing. No profit target, end of day drawdown, a limited contract, safety net. If you reach it, you can request payout, and again, there's gonna be max payout per circle. Same thing. Because some people like TradingView. I'm the one of them. I like TradingView too. If you like TradingView, you can actually subscribe to TradingView. TradingView is a little bit expensive than the Freedom accounts because we have to pay TradingView, right? For the Freedom account, we have our own system. We have to pay our developer. So now, what happened when you get your plan? You say go now and you select your plan, you pay it, whatever. Once you do that, you're gonna receive an email from us instantly to like a welcome email. Has some videos, to show you how to get started and stuff like that. And also, you're gonna have this. Once you're done, you're gonna be a software. This software is like an add-on. Once you have this software, you're gonna once you add it in, like import it, there's gonna be a video show you how to do that. So you're gonna go to here, and then you're gonna open tools, and then you see launch Fund2Go Guardian after you start Ninja. Again, the video will show you everything, and then you're gonna have this Fund2Go Guardian 2. Once you do that, you're gonna pick which, and this This Guardian tool, it will pop up all the accounts in your machine, whatever account you have. Pick anyone you want, anyone. The green is mean it's already linked. That's why if you click on any one green, it's gonna show stop. Green is mean already linked. Let's say you pick this one. Once you pick this one and you click start Fund2Go sync, it will show up here. You already synced, gonna show your balance, this account's not active, that's why it's no balance. Gonna show your credits, gonna show everything. The tier you also gonna pick the tier. I forgot that, you have to pick the tier. And the tier must match the one you picked. Let's say you bought a pro account, pro tier. And you get the system, pick any account you want, pick the pro tier, say do this pro tier, and then start sync. It will pops up here and make sure it's a pro tier. And then all you need to do, it's gonna be an email. You're gonna email us back with your account ID, which is gonna be this one here. So the one here from here, you're gonna copy paste this one, and you're gonna email it to us instantly, and you're good. That's it. That's all you need to do. Nothing else. And from this moment, your account is being monitored 24/7. Any trade you take could be monitored. We're gonna, watch you. It's not gonna slow your computer. It's gonna do nothing. It's a very sophisticated system, so it's not gonna slow your computer. It's not gonna do anything. It's very, very light, but at the same time, and it's using AI as well. So it's gonna analyze your trades for us, and we will be able to see whatever trade you take, if you hit your drawdown or not. How many trades you take per day. We want to analyze your trade and see how consistent you are. That's all you need to do. That's it. Nothing else. You don't need to watch nothing. You don't need to do. And once you've done this, just close it. And go ahead and close it. That's it. And if you open it again, it will show you the same account you picked before. Right? It's very simple. Right? Give me 1 second. Let me show it here. So if you open it again, it will show you, pops up the same account you say. So if for some reason you want to stop the tier, you're gonna click on the same account and stop funding. But keep in mind, if you have an active tier with us and you stop it from your end, it will cancel the tier. It will cancel everything. So you have to start all over again. You have to go another tier. So keep in mind, do not press cancel or stop sync unless you decided I'm actually want to cancel for some reason, But as long as you're active and just pick your account, start sync, close it, and that's it. Open your Ninja Trader, and if you start Ninja Trader, if you start your computer, whatever you want to do, it's gonna be there. Okay, and there is another video gonna be on the website, like technical stuff. Let's say you're gonna change your computer. Let's say you want to trade on VPS. Let's say you Ninja Trader crash. You need to install a new Ninja Trader. There is a video actually gonna show you how to back up your data from Fund2Go and add it to the new Ninja Trader version. So you're not gonna lose tracking view, and you're also gonna lose tracking of yourself. So that's it, guys. So again, go ahead and check the website, read everything. There's a lot of facts here. You can read all our rules, and we have a policy, very clear policy. Read everything you have, and this is a unique way. It never done before. Nobody did this before, and it's a free way to make money out of trading without any obligation, without any live drawdown, without any. We're not gonna send you email, or some prop firm does this, by the way. Send you a video of you trading live by yourself. Some prop firm do that. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna ask you, okay, who is trading? You can trade bots if you want. You can trade. Again, we have a system. You have a Alpha AI Plus making tons of money. You can trade Alpha AI Plus. Our system also from Alpha Auto Trading. If you know what's Alpha AI Plus, just email our support. We have a very unique system. It's called Alpha AI Plus that actually can be auto trading, and it can be manual trades. You can print signal for you in the chart, or can and also you can make it auto trading. You can also have this. It's gonna be different subscription with Alpha Auto Trading, because I'm a CEO of both Alpha Auto Trading and Fund2Go, but it's still two different businesses. So that's it, guys. So make sure whatever accounts you have now, Double your income, man. Double your income. Have 10 accounts, double, make them 20. You don't need to buy another prop firm account and go again through the max, the live drawdown, blah, 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 the rules. Just link your own existing account and trade freely. You're not going to do anything. You just want to watch your trade. As long as you never hit your drawdown, you're good. You're going to pay by credit. You're going to pay bi-weekly as long as you're above the threshold. And after 3 months, if you are consistent, we're going to open you a live trading account if you choose to. Like, let's say after 3 months, you are consistent and you know what? I don't want to open live. I'm happy with what I'm doing now. I'm making, 10 grand a month from Peru account. I have 10 with you guys. I'm making 100K a month. I'm good. Okay. That's it. Not gonna, I said you have to, no, but it's a good chance to open live account because it's gonna go to your portfolio. So we're gonna explain this later down the road why opening a live account is way better for you and us for sure. Okay. That's it, guys. And I'm so excited all of you guys to start with us. And I want to see, all of you make money because again, whenever you make money, guys, in the future, we'll make money too. So it's a win-win situation. So let's do this right. And let's be consistent with our trading. Let's have a discipline and let's make money, all of us together. Thank you so much for watching and can't wait to see you all joining our community. Thank you.